Hi, I'm Laurie Anderson. I spent a lot of years with Bill Alexander before he passed away, and I learned a lot from him. And today I want to show you some things that he didn't have time to tell you on TV. I think you're going to really like this. Today we're going to talk about highlights. A lot of the things that I see when people are first learning to paint is that they want to use bright yellow to highlight things. This is Sunlight. This is the original painting that Bill did. He painted it on May 9th, 1989. Every time Bill painted a painting, he would do the one on television, and then he would paint one for the book. This one is the one that's in the book. You don't see here, anywhere on here, bright yellow paint. Now he's got the sunlight, so it's a bright painting. But if you noticed, he's got greens in here, light greens. And he's mixed them with the tree colors, because if you think about the trees, you get the shape from the dark, but then the lights define the tree. None of this is yellow. This is the base color, lightened. And so it's a lighter green. And you notice out here, up here specifically, Bill loads his brush and then he starts outside of the tree because that's where it's going to be the brightest. And if you think about trees, all of this light here, it's the tree with the sunlight just laying on top of it and brightening it up. So you can see that he used light green all in here, okay? Now the sunlight's coming in this way, so you can see he brightened this up. And part of the reason he brightened this up is he wanted it to stand out against the paintings or the trees in the back. Remember, Bill always says you have to have the dark to show the light. Now, many times I watch people when they're first starting, they like a color that they're using, and so then they highlight the whole tree. Do you see how Bill was strategic here, where he placed the lights? See this one? You see this? This is all outside the tree. Here's where the dark ends. Here's where the light starts, right here. And if you go up above it, then you don't muddy your paint. You see he's got the tops here, but this is all a light green. I'm going to show you a few paintings here, and I want to show you what he did. But these are all his originals. And do you know what? This is the easel that he painted all of our shows on. You know what's special about this one? He filmed this for a video instead of the half-hour television shows. June of 1986 is when he recorded this. And it was done for a videotape, so it's a longer film. I think he spent an hour on it. I know, it's amazing to see what he can do in an hour. Okay, we're going to talk about light again. See, this is the brightest area on the painting right here. This is the light source that's coming down. This is bright yellow. He did not use this bright color anywhere else in the painting. Right here, because it's close to the source. Again, here's the dark. He went up above it to add that light. That's why you see it so bright. Same here. Over in here, he added a little bit of light. But over here, this is red. Because remember, it's the tree with a little bit of light on it. He loved to make these cabins. He loved the light in the windows. You know, Bill was all about light. Now this is mountain water runoff. He painted this June 10th of 1987. Do you notice it's not a bright day? The light's coming in this way. It's just not very bright. And so these colors, there's yellow in here, but they're toned down. I mean, this is green. This is this color, just a little bit lighter right in there. Over here, again, he went up above with this green and a little tiny bit of yellow. You see down in here, he's got some phthalo green because he wanted this in the shadow area. Do you notice how his light goes like this and circles right where he wants you to look? I love this painting. So we'll talk about other things regarding his paintings, but today we're talking about highlighting trees. He loved, loved, loved light and dark. This is a TV painting that he painted on August 5th, 1986. Okay, so in this one, again, all the light, the main light is right in here. You see there's no yellow, there's no brightness anywhere else other than right through here. A little bit over in here. But again, he used the red. the light's hitting that, and it's lighting up the tree that's underneath it, and that's red. This is a signature move of Bill's, is to put a tree or a bush or something in front of the dark to bring something into the foreground and to put something up against that dark. So you see how he left this very dark here? It's because he wanted the contrast between this and this. Another beautiful painting of Bill's. Comment and let us know what you're doing in your art. We'd love to hear from you. You can even put how Bill has touched your life. You can see how he's touched mine. Thank you.